Artificial intelligence is growing faster than any technology humanity has ever created. In just a few years, AI moved from a futuristic idea to a tool used by millions of people every single day. What once looked like science fiction is now part of everyday life. Across the world, businesses are racing to adopt AI. They use it to save time, reduce costs, and automate repetitive work. The companies that move first gain an advantage, and that pressure is transforming entire industries. Tasks that used to require teams of people can now be completed in seconds. Customer support, writing reports, and data analysis are being automated. This means many familiar jobs are beginning to change. Cashiers are replaced by self-checkout systems, and factories rely on robotics. For some people, this creates fear. Skills that were valuable for decades may no longer be enough in the future economy. But this story is not only about jobs being lost. Every technological revolution in history destroyed some roles while creating new ones. Entirely new careers are now emerging. Today, companies are actively hiring for prompt engineers and automation consultants. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors detect diseases earlier. It can analyze medical images and help hospitals work more efficiently. In education, AI can personalize learning for every student, giving people access to knowledge anytime, anywhere. In creative industries, designers and marketers are using AI to produce faster. Ideas that once took days can now be tested in hours. Entrepreneurs are building companies with smaller teams. One person with the right tools can reach global customers from a laptop. The biggest advantage will not go to those who resist change. It will go to those who learn early and adapt quickly. Machines can process data, but they still depend on people for judgment, empathy, creativity, and vision. The future of work will likely be a collaboration between humans and AI, making us more productive than ever before. Creativity and problem-solving will matter more. These human strengths become even more valuable in an automated world. The future is not something that arrives one day. It is being built right now by the choices you make. Artificial intelligence is changing jobs forever. The question is, will you be ready? Follow for more.